Good morning, children. So, children, this is our last video of chapter 4 where we will discuss about new religious tradition. So, we will start with the development of Mahayana Buddhism. Okay. So, by the 1st century, we get lot of evidence which show that Buddhist idea and practice have been changed. So, how changes took place? The early Buddhist teaching had given importance to self effort. That is, they used to say that if you want to achieve nirvana, then you need to give your self effort. So, beside this, Buddha was also regarded as human being who attained enlightenment through his own effort, and the one who believe all this teaching of Buddha were called Hinayana or lesser vehicles. Okay, so slowly what can we see is that the idea of savior, that is we call in Hindi Muktidata, increased, and people started to regard Buddha as their God who will help them to ensure salvation from the cycle of life and death. Clear? Now, those who have adopted this teaching were regarded as Mahayana or the greater vehicle. So, with this, the concept of Bodhisattva developed out there. So, with their effort, they tried to attain Nirvana, but to help the people by helping others, what they were doing? They were collecting the merits, that is, we call in Hindi Punya. Okay, so the concept of bodhisattva is that if you have attained the nibbana, but after attaining it, not to leave the world, okay, but to serve the people. It's same like a motivational speaker, that is what they learn, all the positive thing they develop within them, and which thing motivate them, they all want to give it to the other people through their speech. Clear? So this was the bodhisattva idea. So the one who thinks with the help of bodhisattva they can help other were called Mahayana. Clear about Mahayana? And the one who followed the pre-Buddhist idea, that is salvation, and regard that Buddha can only give this much self-effort and can attain salvation, were called Hinayana. Clear? That is, they used to give respect to their teacher who has taught them. Clear? Now, so later this their image was also been found, and even the people they started to worship Lord Buddha and Bodhisattva, and it has played an important part in the Mahayana tradition. Clear about the development of Mahayana Buddhism? Now, next we will see about the growth of Puranic Hinduism. Now, when Buddhism got emerged, many people got belief in it, right? And a time came where we see that Vaishnavism and Saivism got emerged, and people began to worship the deity throughout the subcontinent. Clear? Now, Vaishnavism were the follower of Vaishnavism used to worship Vishnu as the principal deity. Clear? That is the important god. And the follower of Saivism worship Shiva and regard Shiva as a chief god, that is a greater god. Clear? Now Vaishnavism was being worshipped in various avatars, and it was believed that Vishnu had 10 avatars. Clear? Now, as it was believed that Vishnu assumed or take different avatar in the world, we all have also heard about it, isn't it? Vishnu has taken different avatar on this world, isn't it? Why he has taken different avatar in the world? As to save the world from the effect of evil force like Ram, Krishna. We all must have heard the story of it, isn't it? Now, during that time, we found different sculpture, that is a statue like God Shiva, which was been worshipped in the form of linga, and it represent in human form also, isn't it? And even the deities, that is the idol of God, was been represent in different form with ornament. They was been decorated, and they were holding weapons in their hand. Clear? Now, the different historian had tried to understand the sculpture, and they understand the story behind that sculpture, which they collected from the Puran, which was been written by Brahmins. Got it? So, with the help of that, it became easier for them, for the historian, to understand or correlate the story that was hidden behind the sculpture. Clear? Now, Puran contains story of different god and goddesses, right? And it was written in simple Sanskrit form, so that everybody could read it. Even the women and Sudras also read it. As in the ancient period, we must have studied that they were not allowed to read and learn Vedic, right? So in Puran story, what we will found is that the priest merchant was there, the ordinary men and women, they used to travel from one place to another, and when they used to travel from one place to another, they used to share the ideas and belief of the god, that is the god which they used to believe, which they used to worship. About them, they used to say to the other people, narrate the story to the other people. Clear? So for example, Vasudev Krishna, you must have heard about it, right? Now, it was the famous deity of Mathura, and it was belief and worship has been spread over the different part of the world, right? Till now we are worshipping it, isn't it? Now, children, you just see the image out here, the avatar of Vishnu. Which avatar he has taken is that Vahara avatar of Vishnu. Why he has taken this Vahara avatar? As to rescue the earth goddess. Clear? Now, next is our building temple. Now, children, the early temple, if you will see, it was a small square room, right? Which was called Garbha Griha, where deity used to be placed, where the god image used to be placed inside that, and they used to have a single door from where they used to enter and used to worship the deities. Clear? Now, slowly, as the time passes, the structure of temple grew bigger, and it was called Sikhara. Now, Sikhara was like a balcony which was been built on the Garbha Gira. Clear? And the temple wall was used to be decorated with different sculpture, which is a statue. Different statue was made on the temple wall. Clear? Now, the temple has been developed more. As the time passes, it has been developed more. Now we can see, as you all can see, that it has assembly hall, huge wall with different statue and painting, right? The big gateway was been made, and the supply of water, that is water facility, was also been provided. Clear? Now, some unique feature of the early temple also you will see nowadays also with artificial cave, that we call in Hindi gufa, isn't it? You must have seen such type of temple, right, children? Now, that is the hollowed cut of the huge rock. In the 8th century, a temple was been made by cutting the mountain rock to enter the temple. That temple was called Kailashnath, which is in Maharashtra. Clear? Now, next topic is our can we see everything? Now, this is a question for you all, children. Can we see everything? Now, till now, whatever we have discussed or whatever we have seen or find, all that thing, is it available right now? That is bricks and stone architecture, sculpture, painting. As this all thing, most of them were been destroyed over century, right? Whatever was been found was been preserved. Okay. Now, next is the grappling with the unfamiliar, and if text and image do not match. Now, that is a historian. Whatever they saw could not understand that they were whatever they have found, they were not familiar with that. Like they saw sculpture with multiple arms and head, and they tried to make a sense that appear to them. Okay, now they were excited when they discovered an image of Buddha and Bodhisattva that was based on Greek model. Now, sometimes it became very difficult for the historian to understand the text and image. They even have gone through the Puran and gave different opinion. That is, different historians have gone through the Puran. They have got different sculpture and they have got different idea about it, and they have given us a different opinion also. Okay, now children, we have completed our chapter 4. I hope you all have understood it. So children must go through each and every video of this chapter. Okay, so thank you.